Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete files or folders in Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to delete files in Windows 11. To start, open the folder where the file is located. After that, right-click on Start and click on Terminal Admin. Click Yes to open the console. Now in the File Explorer, select the file. Click on More Info and click on Copy Path. After this, in the terminal, execute del-f-q-a file path, press Enter. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You can check that the file has been deleted. Chapter 2. How to delete folders in Windows 11. To start, open the path where the folder is located. Then right-click on Start and click on Terminal Admin. Click Yes to open the console. Before, in the File Explorer, select the folder and click on More Info to click on Copy Path. When you do, in the terminal, run rmdir-s-q folder path, press Enter. You can check that the folder has been deleted. Chapter 3. How to delete zip files in Windows 11. To start, go to the path where the zip file is located. Then right-click on Start and click on Terminal Admin. Click Yes to open the console. You're going to go to the File Explorer, select the zip file and click on More Info and then click on Copy Path. Then in the terminal, from the top menu, select Windows PowerShell. Now you're going to execute the command remove -item, -path, zip file path, -force. You will verify that the zip file has been deleted. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.